my money sisi pepe say we the money nua we the man adam for we the we no
Ghana Premier League
na RTU ntimi ready team nti also code dreams FC na all the players impersonate players
Opemsuo
me show mu 8-1 Ghana Premier League nkwan obitimi she virtual goal otetamale ba na wa she goal wodew
Osede
otetamale na wa she goal wodew virtual goal so she nem from mamni sunsumu e wodew omo wie omo ko back no mako park ba asasi nwuram so makonya accident because on better Ghana for mo hoye Ghana for mo bo na Ghana for ka bi ma omo then me hu video na na ye mesere mako park ba asasi nwuram so mo nya accident just because no better mo court public sympathy Ghana Premier League we hu asem na wo kan kwame anane Ghana Premier League ya ye boye ye Ghana Premier League na last day and some activity ye nyina see sa pepepe Ghana Premier League na last day ye say team bi on ma or the points e kwa goals e dey money player Ghana Premier League sa Ghana Premier League na ka se family pan kon ko Black Stars
Ghana Premier League ya nyam na make was nata e na e ka se be boa promote e league no
the Ghana Premier League we na was nata e ken
na de here nya we na wo Canada Ghana ya bo Premier League mi no
ma ye nya ye ho sa
ye ho say
the fact is all your Mama Ghana Football Association and all your Ghana football mu panyini enche say nsem bi won ma was all be catch Ghana for
there be obi ginti Ghana
team ye me hu se niema asesa sa campaign na me yese yem fa local based players in Black Star me nya biom majai
Opemsuo bo hu se
niema asesa e wo ye local league ni mu Opemsuo me hu se niema asesa e wo Ghana football ni mu Opemsuo me hu se niema asesa e wo Ghana Premier League ni mu sa campaign na me ye so Black Stars there local based player we ni ball no ball yem fa ne Black Stars ye hu Abib Mohammed no mo makwa Black Stars ni bi Abradu ko papo mo eye confused because obo hu crowd ye hu Shila Aliasu no near central defender ma Asante Kotoko or say Kofo akwa ye mistake at the biggest stage of world football the confidence come from ontimi mobium then Shila Aliasu steps in akwa board the remaining group matches e dey ama Black Stars affili in perfectly like player no one man on it yes you sanya man nyina e wo krom ha ya from your league na it ye champion ye so your Ghana Premier League na stronger ye competitive ye local based players o makwa bobo ni na say Abdul Ismail Gani mu opportunity omo ngu omo ho ani ma se Christopher Nakaine tenom enya opportunity omo ngu omo ho ani ma se it Ghana Premier League ni de sanka ye for player dia film akwa bobo Black Stars and Kenya problem and Kenya ya but kwaya ya first one ye boy league ni say si ane de me amte men campaigning champion mo bia o ye local based player say yem fan ko Black Stars da I am not going to do that matches na ye bomo krom ha say no there been so many times on different occasions obete so team asama see the obeso o de match we kokoma we o de mana ni afro no oh and sadia o de mama de anya me so be the points them goals it was all mommy player we share 1 it was a player we share 2 it was a we share 3 these things are happening in our league and you think we play a competitive league it's young for league ni muni pan kon boy Black Stars ni bi men championing campaign ma player bia Mr. Wosenata, yes, Obeka sa assembly because he's a member of the Ghana Football Association. Obeka sa assembly because Oye Juma of Ghana Football Association. But me am as a journalist. Men campaign biom say yem follow local based player bi anko Black Stars.
So be Oye Juma of Ghana Football Association there nipa no ohun bibia ontimi nka na.
So mon kan okre. Yes, they are not honest people. The Ghana people are the Ghana Football Association. Now the course we league ni no any football ni locally especially nipa do say in free FA and I say why any free FA ababa nti ababa be kasa
so they are not authorized to do so.
They are not authorized to do what?
Yes, so no FA obi an kasa
FA nan kasa as a body o say FA obi an kasa
no obi an kasa you was spokesperson
aside in people talk from the Ghana Football Association
you official aside be able the president na as general secretary na kasa no on say obi akokasa ye man kwan se koka obeka
say ye man kwan say ye man kwan there are people from the FA omo kasa
enti na big e no so no ma kwan se omo nyina no obi enti ugiri say de ekoso nyina omo nyina wo ho no omo nyina support na me ekoso
kwa me kopim say obeka sa ni silence means consent Yes. It is all about say Babekasa. And I know some say the idea cost you on Faso. But Opemsuo Bekasa no. Dear. Medium so for us,
there are people who only mudim koma. Niema cost no more bonus so.
Ewo efi ho.
Ewo efi.
Me no bianco din komo.
But me koma medina maker.
And na me ni ho.
But they can't come out because
they are not honest people.
Ubekasa.
Omo nya no kwafo.
Uni ha ne ene panyin ba akudi nkomo a. Owie no ka che say voice ni enye nde.
Yen delete my problem na pressure ba no so. Sa panyin efi no obepem le me mu ni biem because onya no kwafo. If we say time no ebe pem nne onya no kwafo. It is the kind of respect and I'm a woman no. As an honorable man no, me need to respect the man biom. Because he's not an honest person. Yes. Obi our system nim na se niam nko ya wuntimi nkasa. This office system nim bab one thing. That is why somebody like Alhaji Grusa and paying baby asem Alhaji Grusa be kan I am mfa nya asem.
Enkomo na ni nipa ni di ene nie. Okay.
You see, it's very club honest. Number category. A good one, but do not say, do not even see anything. That is the problem. I'm going to have now what's your name now in Pablo? Somebody will talk to you and say, much I ain't can't say, do what money can you are. It's one show in the year and I walk with an some of you.
Yes. And on one got also career. On one so done some one and him. Ah, one chance more kind. Ɔse ɔmbɛka sɛ kɔne koka wanhwe na sɛ koduru afi nanim wia no obia yiwama na wada ne bonsam wɔ afefo nanim but ɔno aso so ka nsɛm ni wie no ɔno asan frɛ yɛ sɛ ɔsrɛ yɛn ɔde onu yɛn delete ma yɛn bobiom because course e ba no so pressure e ba no so etu ɔno ankasa asɛm na ɔka yɛ no ɔsa da ne bonsam wɔ ɔno nanim he's not an honest man. He's not an honest man. The people at the Ghana Football Association, yes, I know
and they don't think I saw Munina Bigi.
Munina. Why am I going to in film? Because I mean, Nimni Pabia me boni in my film. Yes, they are all part of the problems of Ghana football. Yanti Kumana sa FA we sign contract. How many bet power? I can tell you say 6 million. I FA we are.
Ah, Biggie.
I de makaboniana.
Okasa FA dia.
Sa se akere say.
Sa boy we.
Se akere say.
As a in a way as a undermine you.
Me undermine you. Yes, I. That's if me undermine no more human training. Teacher me undermine no I'm undermining their work, not their personality.
I said personalities no na ye adwuma no.
Omo na ye adwuma nti omo adwuma ho asem na make enye omo personality.
To asoma me.
Yes. Yes, I feel we are. And a coco sign contract. On the catcher say $6 million. You will be a screenshot or official FA website a publish here. So many bet for our contract. I have $6 million for 3 years. After a year, you know. Now FA corner as about say about the catcher says you can then 6 million biom. After so much lunch at the end of you know, you can then 6 million biom. No more $3 million. And yes, we are.
3 for baby.
Maybe a fire being young coupon one in him. Say chain a bet power for no so much into more Jibu trade ya. And possible say finance at 1 million my bet power. Into no bit matter train a man.
I want ya mo de o mi enu ne kaboom.
Amu kaboom de then. So kwaje chawo do man into ye can
e charm kwaje ye o do.
GB.
Enye charm kwaje wo do.
Yes, say promotion and advertisement for the Ghana Premier League. No mu ko float no match cheche. O kwaje chawo do
man ko float an kwaje che.
Wan je chawo do.
Dressing park ne so.
Wan je chawo do.
O kasa me je chawo do ma de ase
chawo do ma.
Enye se me je chawo do ma se. Me je chawo me promo league. What did be? Me di promo league no.
Ejo je chawo.
League na me di promo.
Ejo je chawo do ma.
Ese me tie na me se bet power che na. Enye that time no mo sponsor league na me
chawo do ma.
To awunsem so.
Master be to aso ni bu me che na okokoje ye. Na ka $1 million na ho. Ghana Football Association we are. And ye. So if I say the people at the Ghana Football Association are not honest people, and based on the SCC, they are
do the own to
Kwame, your ball RTU a dream FC game in the officially. Have you seen a communique from the Ghana Football Association? So Sadia there course on AM Guasem, Ebianca was FNA condemning. No more Ghana we are seeing who said yes, you are launching an investigation into that.
Oh, say the discipline committee said they released by
only released by the standings of the league table. Because only investigation into certain matches. They didn't condemn any act.
But so mobile say they are investigating. No, me will release me crowd phone so
and yeah, but we be a boy.
No, kase. They buy him into no now. Here now more and like and some they done also
First of all, the Ghana Football Association, led by the president, should have released a communique to condemn that act. But to go class, hey, just eh? Kwame, Adiana, yeah, fan I am telling you, it is more than the Interlight Ashanti Gold case. Impersonation. Impersonation. Now, after you players and Angasa minim. Mimi we be bought out to you and I say me bought out to you by this time come the deeper in a court in Pesca.
Big you niska where do yako court. Court you players omuniska.
Omuniska.
Yentu amuka.
Ade court no so kwa ye kwa juska.
Another court no kwa unfa lawyer. Lawyer no njiare.
Be fa lawyer. Yes, of course.
So we tuaneka.
Enye be na fa lawyer no what tuaneka. It depends on the kind of terms on the lawyer ne beko. The lawyer can look at your case and see say asem we dey head there obedi bem. Inti yan kona yan pushi.
Now lawyer bia no.
Damage the ba major percentage.
Obeti ma vim so obedi bem ba be kona vim one could.
In this case, if the players decide to pursue the case, obedi bem. For someone to impersonate you, a criminal idea. And for people to sit down for this not to happen. To date, yanteke from the appropriate quarters, so more condemn is no. These are some of the things that Emmanuel Palusu trust in the system. Ghana football biggest problem, pa no. Your biggest problem, pa, and they say people don't have trust in the system. Nipa ni jidie wa system ni mu. Eti ade na ye di ni krampo na say ye no kudom po a. O say me wa asemasi kampa na say me di asemasi achinti. Ene ye de saade we yi di me. Jen Abdul Salam this season on kan. Yes, Abdul Salam this season Jen on kan. He granted an interview and said say enkophobia shada person with teams be na qualify by Premier League ni mu. Say you no correct. Say you coincidence. Say you dear Ben Kwame. It has happened. You who teams no, and you mun crofo kra teams say you omodia.
Teams that qualify young apostles. One idea. Any model. And Basiki Holy Stars.
Basiki Holy Stars. Is it Julius Ehuma?
Okay.
Yes.
Western region.
Yes.
Okay. And Vision FC.
Vision FC, they say you're chief of staff.
One chief of staff.
Oh, so almost a chief of staff.
O secret.
Kesiena
Odi.
Okay. Nti dipa mi nsa na ye bo omudin no. Unim ba bi omu free. Nti asem na Abdul Salam e kan na sabato kan no. Say ye no kure say ye coincidence asi. Say na ye commissioner na o hye asi. I am not saying if these people have clubs and this one qualify by Premier League anymore. That is not what I am saying. But your problem back up, no. People don't trust in the system. That is number one. And then number two, these people at the Ghana Football Association are the same people having clubs in the league. They are the same people having clubs in the league. Mr. Ghana Premier League, if things don't change, them relegation. So be the 2 million beba.
They said they are calling their
it will be the 2 million qualification the year. Yen na yakura 2 million qualifying aba. It ya fe ya betra dem ne ahyehe. Yes no so wa babo league na che bia 5 years 10 years watch into the connect 3 seasons ya be sa mo aba. E be kakra ya ni akura. Ya ntwe di ya na edidi akura. That is the kind of stage the Premier League is going to get to. And no ye mu bi how. And Opemsuo says idea will become and a become just a born independent league. Yet the body will be independent from the Ghana Football Association. And no more team na no more running football no. Why na what team Premier League nim? Omo muti Spain no more running football no. Why na what team Premier League nim? Ah? Why? Say you come on na sa niam ni besia. And ye ka sa niam we a people feel say bi obi time obi. Obi an time obi. Omo muti efe no mo be hye mra. E de mra na ye adwuma. Ne hu say yes ye de mra fenchem ne mra kete ye adwuma no. Omo na what teams wo Ghana Premier League nim. Obey den di ade na mia ne ho. Obey den e de mra na mia ne ho. Obey den hye mra e be wiase ono ane ho be kire no. And some mra no so na be ma Ghana football na ye. So until say niam be sesa na ye be nya nipa a mo be ye honest. No more these things are affecting our football. These things are affecting our league. It's an independent body. No running league in the Maya. Not the Ghana Football Association. And focus on the national teams. Kwame say anya sadia na hwense so. Me say problems na yete hana ye kan ho asem no. Your last 20 years problems. Your last 15 years there. Your last 10 years. The last 5, last 4, last 3, last 2, last 1. Yes, 1 7 year can no. For the next 10, 15, 20 years, if things don't change, say Anna Bayer become a kai. Bayer 7, 8 years ago, make us be on radio. Said the Ghana football econo. Within the next 20 years, we have a minimum who Ghana Premier League team or the Africa. I said it Bayer 8 years ago, and things are still the same way. And then met me as 20 years beyond because me have any mammy won't system be ah.
Oh, beba, nyabatre.
Minka se Emma, name me have any mammy. Since when the Abrawabe conimum nintem. In soon Abrawabeco, name nintem. And Yama win a high mubi. Inti I can once a month. It's a league na ye bono. Yan yama ye mo league ye. The semester was not at Tanase. No, see, for players from the Ghana Premier League and Black Stars more. So your ball league, your league, are competitive enough. You bet me for players a film. Now you're the acco. But Opemsuo say your best, sir. Say, yeah, no, near the league by Madame for near million. Now, the match venue, as in some 20 say, oh, cover Premier League. Who do you want money after what catch will be? And a match in the score line near 2-1. We win a beshe, near the penalty, Amawi, near the Ajigu Ama Samasi. Na esi sa pepepe enye de bia na ye coincidence o hwebo na ko so obrekum no brekum Chelsea the Heart of Lions no ye bo Premier League game na brekum Chelsea anya counter attack ya bo through ball e dia ma winger and then obi to stance in my old video o se hwebo no referee ne man show referee ne man nche and eventually linesman am flag you not the center referee age offside meanwhile baby a referee ne gina no e linesman na say so kire say ball dey offside and clearly the player was onside but supporter no let stance him na o video ball no Kwame when who's a referee ne ma player ne nche he said it in the video on man nche and eventually referee ne offside. This is the kind of league I say young family pa and fan konkobo national team.
Referees na ye player.
Players na ya aware they are included.
It is
players be aware.
The puni player ba ko kra.
Me nyu otwi nya doa.
Not even Razak Simpson.
Me say me nyu emo obi adi na me say me nyu otwi nya doa. Roberto Carlos and it Sergio Ramos mo kwa league bi aka me mo mu den.
Simply because
your matches now you're born and you're competitive enough. Let's call a spade and not a big spoon.